Vive le français! Bonjour les amis! Today I want to show you French dessert that is quite popular. It used to be very popular in the past. It's a famous brand. It's called Le Petit Suisse. Le Petit Suisse. So here you can see Gervais, Le Petit Suisse. So it's by Danone, you know Danone, and it used to be a very popular brand when I was a kid. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and why I'm showing you this because it's something that all French people know. At least the French people from my generation, we all know Gervais Petit Suisse. So Petit Suisse, you take it this way, you open it, and inside it's just some kind of yogurt, you know, that you put like this. Wait. See? Then when you put it, it's like this. Did you see it? Okay. Then I need to take this part away. Okay. Take this away. Then I'm left with the Petit Suisse. This one, of course, you don't eat. So we put it like this. And you take some milk. I don't have any milk here. I just have the rice milk, but that will do. So you take some milk. And you add the milk together with le Petit Suisse. Oula. You add the milk. Le lait avec le Petit Suisse. Le Petit Suisse. Donc le Petit Suisse. Usually you will take them 2 by 2. Le Petit Suisse. Hopefully I have some sopalin. Le sopalin. Le Petit Suisse et le lait. Okay. Petit Suisse, le lait. Et après, vous prenez le sucre. Donc le sucre de canne. What I will do is I will take, I can take one like this, le sucre de canne. Okay. C'est le sucre de canne. Et je peux mettre aussi un peu de sucre, comme ceci. Un peu de sucre. It's exactly the same. One is the solid sugar, and the other one is the powder sugar. Le sucre en poudre et le sucre dur. Le sucre. Put le sucre like this. And then you mixed. So you mix it. Vous mélangez. Donc le Petit Suisse, c'est du yaourt. And it's a little bit the same recipe as fromage blanc. Le fromage blanc. So le fromage blanc is you can buy in France. It's also a very traditional dessert. Le fromage blanc is in fact made of the milk of the cow. Donc, le fromage blanc, c'est fait du lait de la vache, le fromage blanc, avec donc on a un fromage blanc comme ça. Avec le fromage blanc, vous mettez du lait. I will show you le fromage blanc. Attendez une minute. Ça c'est le fromage blanc. Vous avez vu le fromage blanc? Ça c'est le fromage blanc. Donc c'est fait avec le lait de la vache, le fromage blanc. Okay. And usually you add some sugar and you mix it like this with the milk. So you will see in the supermarket you can buy the fromage blanc. At the cheese shops, you can also buy the fresh fromage blanc. You buy some, and then you add some milk, some real milk, and then you mix it. You mix it until it becomes like this. And then you add some sugar. Vous ajoutez donc du sucre. Donc le fromage blanc avec du lait et avec du sucre. And the way we eat it in France, usually le fromage blanc, so it's similar to Petit Suisse. Hein. The same in fact. The way we eat it in France is we'll eat it together with some fresh fruits. Par exemple, le fromage blanc, on peut le manger avec les fraises, with the strawberry. Fromage blanc avec les fraises. So you take some fromage blanc and you put it with the strawberry. Okay. Let's try first the Petit Suisse. So le Petit Suisse and the fromage blanc is the same. It's a traditional dessert. It's a really traditional dessert. C'est bon. A little bit too liquid. I should have put less milk. Et le fromage blanc ici, I put le fromage blanc like this. See, fromage blanc, ok, like this. Et j'ajoute les fraises. And I put the strawberry with le fromage blanc. If you are lucky, donc le fromage blanc avec les fraises. If you are lucky, you live in the countryside, you can plant some strawberry in your garden. And each year you'll get some fresh strawberry in your garden. And then you eat them like this. C'est délicieux, c'est très bon. C'est très bon. Bon, fromage blanc avec les fraises. Au revoir, merci.